Hello friends, so we've got a little bit of an issue today at the Poked Off house. A bird flew in through a vent on the outside and it's stuck just above where that tubing is. Yeah, several calls to the exterminator, a contractor. I figured out the best way to get the bird out is to peel off the tape from this tubing, pop the tubing out, and then hopefully pop the bird into this garbage can. Wish me luck. This is going to be either one hell of a video or it's going to be nothing. I hear him scurrying, so it may be time. It's curious to see whether he is above where this is in here or if he's actually in here. We're about to find out, and this is going to be freaky. All right, let me see if this works. Oh gosh. Here, boy. Ah! Yikes, let's get the door open! Get the door open! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Here, boy. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Get out! Get out! Please get out. Please get out. Holy crap. He's flying through the house. Dogs are freaking out. He likes the skylight. See if we can get him out. Please don't poop on my house. Where is he? Where'd he go, dogs? Did he fly out?